Pay attention to my messaging. There's a blessing awaiting you over there, and all your stressing, they will quickly disappear. Whoa.
As I am walking the University of the West Indies campus, I am feeling extremely blessed. Extremely blessed. Here's why. There was a time when I was studying here for my first degree and I had to make a decision. The decision would have been a life-changing decision. And I said to the Lord, Lord, if I switch the major that I am accepted for, you know best and you will work it out. You know the reason why I wanted to go into this field. I don't want a desk job that I'm sitting a whole 9 to 5. I want something that I'm on the road and very flexible. That's the kind of lifestyle I wanted to live. Why I chose that field. However, I had to make a switch. But today, while I had business here on campus, I realized that prayer that I made some 11 years ago is answered.
Rise like the sunrise, my bright and my upright. No one can block my vibes. I may not care who I fight, I know I criticize. I'm on the higher heights. So you can say what you want to and do what you want.
I didn't want to report to a boss, and I wanted to be able to get up and go when I needed to get up and go. And today I was able to fund my business that I had to do today from doing work online. Let's put it that way, doing some work online. Now this is something I tried to work from 2018. I've been trying to make this online source of income work from 2018. We are in 2022 and it seems like it is just now possible. You might be going through something. You might have to make life-changing decisions, but if you stick with it, if you follow through and you finish. And as I said that, it was while I was in the waiting room when a post, shout out by Inspirational by Marie, she posted on our community post, and she asked the question, what are the 3 things that you want to do for February? She listed hers. My response was focus, follow through, and finish. And while I was there waiting, I realized that this is not just a February 2022 decision that I've made to live my life per se. I mean, back in 2018, I wanted to give up. I desperately wanted to give up. I found all the reasons to. I quit several times in my head. I got back to it because this online venture meant putting my own resources in, my own money, my own funds, and to come to a point where it is now 2022 where I'm able to reap the rewards. It's very, very refreshing, and I want you too to focus, follow through, and finish whatever it is that you set your mind to. It might seem far off, it might seem a very, very far off, and that you won't accomplish this thing because you keep falling back and such. But at the end of it, when you focus, follow through, and finish, the reward will be greater. And as I'm about to leave the campus, I'm just giving you a view of everything. So until next time, Comment down below, what is it that you're doing now that requires you to focus, follow through, and finish?